my name is Patricia and I want to teach you how to paint a watercolor landscape like this. I studied art for 5 years in Italy, and during the course of my study I realized how much more fun is learn how to paint while you do it. So when a person sees the result and the result is great, it's more motivated to continue to do something like painting. This is a very simple landscape, believe me. Despite this, while you're painting it, you will understand how to mix colors to create the sky, or how to paint the mountains with their shadows, and also the whole set of materials that is behind the painting. Check out also the attached file that I put in some lessons, and feel free to ask me questions or send me the photo of your painting in progress at any stage. I hope you're excited. I don't want to be boring, so let's start paint together.